Honorable members or members who are honorable, I would like to just very quickly confirm if you guys are able to clearly see there. And again, can you clearly hear me? Honorable members, can someone just confirm in the comment section if all is clear? I think I might need to do something there. Guys, can someone confirm if all is clear on your side? All is clear. Okay, someone did confirm that everything is clear. Okay. Um, a very warm welcome to my lesson for today, where we are going to be dealing with your mathematics. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, please do allow me to say it is very much important that I say it is very, very much important because, honorable members, what I'm about to say, it's massively, 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 hey, massively important, ladies and gentlemen, that I say a day without learning something new, it's a day wasted. By so saying, please, 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 guys, please do make sure that by the end of each and every lesson that I conduct, you learn something new. So mathematics, it's what we're going to be dealing with in today's lesson. So if you guys remember, we did discuss that during weekdays we are going to be having our Zoom lessons, which are normally on Monday to Friday, but over the weekend, that's when we do this kind of a live YouTube lesson where I give you guys some problems to quickly work them out, and then the first 2 or 3 to comment, we look at their answers and then we do the corrections to check if we would arrive at the same conclusion. So that means lessons are being done in 2 ways. First way being on Zoom lesson, where you guys are able to interact with the tutor, meaning you are able to unmute yourself, ask questions, and then where you are being responded to. But in today's lesson, without any disturbance, I am going to give you guys some problems of the things that we did during the week. So we are not going to waste much of our precious time, but I am going to give you guys the first problem that you will need to quickly work it out. Just in case if you fail to work it out, please be aware that it could be that you missed those lessons that we did on Zoom. If that is the case, please make sure to drop me a WhatsApp text via inbox, then I'll give you a link to the recordings where you need to catch up. So our first problem for today, it is a H. So that question was question H, from where I took those questions. So it is 4 to the x plus 2 to the x minus 1. The whole of that is being divided by 2 to the 2x minus 1. So this is the problem that we're going to be starting with. So I am going to give you guys just 1.5 minutes to quickly work on it. Then from there, once you get an answer, you comment with your final answer. Then the first 2 to 3 to comment will then try to do the corrections. And then after, we move on to the next question. So guys, there you go. I hope everything is still clear. Remember, honorable members, just in case if for some reason I start breaking or the screen is blurred, just make sure to let me know immediately so that I can do something about that. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if you guys can be able to work that one out. Let's see. I think what's missing on my side, I think it's just a couple of cold water, but otherwise it's fine. Let me just wait in the meantime and check for some more questions, because it might be a lengthy lesson today. We need to summarize all that we did during the week and conclude on that, just so that on our next lesson we are going to focus on something completely different. So just make sure, honorable members, that you give it a try. Remember, it doesn't matter at all if your answer is wrong or correct, as long as you can try work out something and then give an answer to your working. It is enough for me to be able to have an idea if you are following or not. So let's see, someone is saying yes, Amanda Ngomane. I'm assuming that yes as a response to I'm not able to guess, but it's fine. I think all is good. Remember, guys, it shouldn't take you that long. And also, this is a type of a calculator that you might need to solve some of the problems. Owe Tuqele says my answer is 4x. Okay. Let's wait for the next two to comment and see what they get as their answers. So, honorable members, you might need to remember that this is where you test yourself on how fast you can be. So there we've got Larissa, who got 3 as an answer. Okay, let's wait for the last one to give an answer, and then from there we do the corrections. So let's see. So if you guys remember, this type of lessons, they are meant, let's see. Okay, I thought someone commented with an answer. So this is a type of a lesson where you guys have an opportunity to quickly work on problems without being disturbed by anyone. That includes myself, and again, that includes myself not being disturbed by yourself with the questions, because you did ask the questions during the week. So what we do now is just to summarize and conclude on all that we did during the week. Seems like some of you guys are still working on it. Okay, then it's fine. It is time up. So guys, on this one, the first thing that you need to know is that this type of a problem is what we call an expression. So you know that when you have expressions, you simplify. So let us try to simplify. Obviously, you might need to remember that you want to make sure that your bases are the same. But you can see that you've got a 4 there, and then the base there is 2, the base there, it is 2. So you might need to work that base such that is the same as the others. So that means you have 2 to the what? To the 2x. And then that is plusing, we have 2 to the 2x minus 1. The whole of that is being divided by 2 to the 2x minus 1. I see some of you guys are getting some answers. We've got too many of 4x and then very little of 3. Okay, let's see how far we can go. So remember, guys, if you have a sign of a plus or a minus, that means at some point you are going to factorize, or you are going to take out something as common factor. Always remember that, honorable members. So let us see. Once we have the same basis, let us try to expand those exponents, or to break those exponents. This one, it remains as that. We can just leave it as that. Then we have a plus. How about here? We say we have 2 to the exponent 2x multiplied by 2 to the exponent negative 1. The whole of that is being divided by 2 to the exponent 2x multiplied by 2 to the exponent negative 1. So let us now see, because we know that we are going to have a sign of a plus or a minus, but in this case, it is a plus. So that means we can take out this as common factor, which means we're going to say 2 to the exponent 2x, and then inside, what do we remain with? We have an invisible 1 there. So that means what remains is 1, and then we have a plus, meaning 2 to the exponent that, and the whole of that is being divided by 2 to the exponent 2x. It seems like my battery is low, Let me do that. I think it's charging. Okay, so let us see. Obviously, you have times 2 to the exponent negative 1. Here, you are not taking out something as common factor because in between you do not have a sign of a plus or a minus. So now let's see. Hope you guys do agree with me that that actually cancels with that. So that means we have, it's more like 1.5 divided by a half. I'm just aware that 1 plus this thing is like a half, honorable members. It's more like we have 1.5, which is a 1.5. This is 1.5 as a fraction, and then that is dividing this one also, it is a half. So if you guys remember, we said the moment you have this, so for you to prove it, you can on your calculator punch that. You are going to have a that. And again, you can punch that on your calculator. It is going to give you that. So in between, you have that, of which I represented it by that division sign. So now let's see. You do know very well that mathematically you change that and then that at the top and then this one at the bottom. So it's like you have 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? I think that is 6. Divided by what is 2 times 1? That is 2. So what is 6 divided by 2? That is 3. Just as most of you guys got 4x. I'm wondering, how did you work it out, honorable members? Myself and the few Larissa and I'm not sure Ku, Katuchero, Patrick, we got our answer as that. Worry not, honorable members, worry not. I will show you how you prove if your answer is wrong or correct. Let me just get, yes, this is a marker that I wanted. This is what we do, honorable members. On the original equation, you can substitute x as whatever number that you like. For me, I like a 4. Yes, so that means everywhere I see x, I'm going to put 4. Someone can put 2, someone can put 3, someone can put 5, whatever number that you can think of. But in the end, whatever that you get when you punch an equal sign, it has to give you your final answer that you got there. So that means if I substitute a number there and say equals to, it must give me 3. If it does not give me 3, then it means my answer is wrong. But if it gives me 3, then it means my answer is correct. So let's try to prove it. You say fraction button, you say 4 to the exponent. Me, I'm going to use 4. And then on the side, you say plus, you say 2 to the exponent 2 into 4. You close, you say minus 1. At the bottom, you say 2 to the exponent 2 into, I'm using 4. So that means where I see x, I just put 4. Let's see. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. It does give a 3. I'm just not sure if you guys are able to see, but I hope you are able to see that. Okay, that's how you work it out. So remember, guys, this is a lesson which is recording. As soon as we are done, it will be posted and you can catch up. So this is a type of a lesson where you need to test yourself if you can be able to work something out, and when we do corrections, you are able to notice your mistakes without someone detecting where you could have went wrong. You need to get to a point where you are able to notice your mistakes. In that way, I know that you are also working it out. I'm thinking of where else to move. Okay, now let me just cancel this one so that it is a confirmation that we have worked it out. Let me cross that. Okay, now let us see which one. Maybe let's go to L. Can we go to L? Yes, let us go to L. L is an interesting problem. So we have 0, 375 close to the exponent x, and they say that it is equals to 9 over 64. Yes, 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 yes. There it's a problem, honorable members. Let me check. Okay, there is a problem that you will need to work out, honorable members, or members who are honorable. So let us see if you can be able to work it out. Remember, guys, you've got limited time to work it out. The first three to comment, that means we are now ready to start doing the correction. So that means you need to be as fast as possible. You need to be as fast as possible. This trains you to make sure that you do not waste much of your precious time during examinations. And again, this is to make sure that you are able to write as fast as possible without making any mistakes. Okay, I think in the meantime, maybe on the next problem, yes, I think on the next problem, I will actually get myself a very cold glass of water. But for now, let me just wait because it seems like this won't be a lengthy problem. Okay, another thing, honorable members, I just remembered. Let me just see if I can like on my side. Okay, I'm not able. Guys, there is that like button which does this. Just please make sure, just for the sake of confusing the enemy, just click on that button. I'm not sure what the reason is, but I'm just suspecting that it is for the purpose of confusing the enemy. So as soon as you've worked it out, make sure that you do not leave the lesson without you clicking on that like button. I think that will be a way of you signing an attendance register. Okay, we've got some honorable members with some answers. So let's see. Remember, guys, today we move at a speed of light. Let us see. Remember, guys, if you are given something that has an equal sign, it means it is an equation. So that means you must solve. What are you solving? You are solving the unknown. What is the unknown? The unknown is letter X. Members. So let's try to convert it to N and C. So you say 0,375, it's 2. This thing is the same as 3 over 8. This is the format in which you want it, honorable members. You do not want it in that format of a decimal. So now let's see. Why is it like this one is going to be a problem? Okay, it's fine. Let us see. How about we try to rewrite this as the smallest base to the power and then a smallest base to the power. So that means we have 3 over 8 to the exponent that. Why am I not touching? If you say 0.375 to the yeah, maybe let's go to this one, honorable members. Let us say exponent that and that multiplied by 2 to the exponent x minus that. Yes, you guys, screen keeps on loading. Do something. Thanks very much, honorable members, for reminding me to connect with Wi-Fi. So let's see, is it still buffering on someone's side, or are we okay now? Us who are honorable. Same here. Let us see. I'll just wait for a moment to check if everything is clear. Someone said it is buffering. Now it's fine. Okay, now it's fine. Yes. Konke kulungile. Okay, so that means, honorable members, now you need to work on that one. Let me just try to check if I can connect these and then switch on the lighting there. Let me see. Oh yes, okay. I'm just hoping that it won't be too bright in my eyes, but I think, okay, let me maybe turn it and put it there so that yes. say your network is malfunctioning, say repeat the other one, say we didn't see the rest of the equation, but sometimes your voice cuts and that. Okay. I might need to very quickly repeat that other one while you guys are working on that other one. So let's see. So we had 0.375, which was equals to 9 over 64. Mpapuli, how about now? Is it okay? The network, is it okay now? So this is what we had, and if you guys remember, I said we want to rewrite that one as a fraction, and from what I remember, it is actually 3 over 8 as a fraction. Yes. And in addition to that, honorable members, I said this 3 you cannot rewrite it as a base to the exponent something, but I think this one on the right we can try to work it out as a base to the exponent something. So this one, because we can't rewrite it, let's just write it as exactly that. But we do know very well that 9, it is a 3 to the power of 2. What about 64? I just discovered that 64, it is actually 8 squared. So can you guys see? We now have the same basis. We now have the same basis. What are those? The bases are in a form of a fraction. So that 2 and that 2, we take it to the outside. Why did we do that? It's so that we can say, since the bases are the same, they fall away, we therefore equate the exponents. And that is how our x was finally equals to 2. Yes, I hope you guys are able to understand it now. Was it clear, Sandra Mpapuli? Was it clear, honorable member? I think everything is okay now. Remember, this is the problem that you should be working on, honorable members or members who are honorable. But I did notice that most of you guys got it correct, that one. So now let's see, what about that first one, honorable members, the A one, the one for letter A? What will be the answer there? What will be the answer there? Yes, it is clear now. Okay. Sandra Mpapuli, today you are the speaker. Yeah. I think you are a lady, and then you will therefore be Madam Speaker for today's lesson, which means I'm not sure if you know the responsibilities of a Madam Speakers. As a Madam Speaker, in case if what is it, I'm breaking, you are the one responsible to make a comment, and then in case if the screen is blurry, you are the one who is responsible of making sure that you let me know immediately. So it's more like you are the class rep, yes, in simple terms. But because this is a parliament where we discuss matters of national importance, you are therefore being referred to as Madam Speaker. Not sure if you like when I say Madam Speaker or Madam Speaker, but whatever the case may be, 32, not sure though. Okay, Larissa got an answer to that one, and she's saying it's 32, and she did make a statement there to say, I am not sure. Okay, let me just wait for the last one to comment, and then we continue. Remember, guys, in case if you are working it out and things are not adding up, you are welcome to make sure that you let me know immediately, just so that I'm aware that you did give it a try, but things are not adding up. In that way, I am going to work it out so that you notice where you got it wrong. Just as no, I think we have spent enough time on that one, honorable members. Isn't there someone to just make a comment and say, hey, ungathi iyangihlula, ungathi inzimanyana? Anyone who's brave enough to say that, honorable members, it has been some time. Okay, okay. Ungathi sisoyenza manje. Ungathi sisoyenza manje, ungathi kudala it's fine, say I am now sure it's correct. Yes, I know what Larissa did. She did try to prove that answer. So now we have Dineo Mulovela. Someone is saying, hey, yeah, this one is hard. Okay, this is what is difficult, honorable member. That part, this is the one that makes it difficult. I did not want to give it a tip, to give you guys a tip on that one. Remember, I was able to notice that I was disconnected. Okay, guys, it's buffering. Is it buffering again, honorable members? Not this again. Yo. It seems like it is buffering. Honorable members, how about now? Still the same. Let me check. Connect with my Wi-Fi. Working. Yes, working. Okay. But did you get all this that I explained, honorable members? Did you get all that? Did you get all that I was explaining? Otherwise, it's fine. Just take a screenshot just so that you have this info. Okay, someone is saying no. Very quickly, I will repeat that. So what I was saying was, if you have, let us say, x to the exponent y, and then there, let us say we have 2. This one is the same as, can you see your base is y, and then your power, it is 2. That is what is inside the square root. Then you say over that which is on the outside. So it's more like if you have 7, let us say square root of x to the exponent of 2. This one is the same as the base is x, and then you have 2 over that 7 there. That's what I meant on that one, which is what you needed to know. It's either you forgot from yesterday's lesson or you did not know. Let's try work out that one. So let us maybe make our base to be 2. We know it can be made to be 2. So that means we can say 2, we know it is to the exponent 3, that makes it 8. So we have x plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the exponent, what is it? We have 1 minus x. The whole of that is being divided by. So this is where you need to know that actually this thing inside is the same as 2 to the exponent 1 over 2, and then you have your nice 4x minus 2 there. This is what you guys did not understand, or what you guys did not know. So can you guys see, if sometimes or next time it comes as square root of 4, for example, and then there, let us say we have a 3, 4 to the exponent 3, and then we have wara there. Just know that you have invisible 2 there. So that means this thing is 4 to the exponent 3 over that invisible 2, and then your wara there. Just be careful of that. So now I think it is at a stage where you can be able to work it out. Say I did it. Okay, if Patrick did it, then you can did it. Yes. If Patrick did it, it means I can did it, and you can did it. So now let's see. That means this is where you say da. That you know very well, honorable. So what is 3 times x? That is 3x. What is 3 times 1? That is 3. And then that is multiplying 2 to the exponent 1 minus x. All of that is being divided by 2. So can you now see? That means you say half times 4x. What is half times 4? That is 2 most. That means you have 2x. What is half multiplied by negative 2? Is it not negative 1, honorable members? So can you guys see? You can say you are going to add those ones at the top being the numerators, then you're going to subtract the ones at the bottom, because all the bases are the same. I hope that you know. So that means we have 2 to the exponent 3x plus 3 plus you have that one minus x. And then remember, these ones you need to then take them to the top. When you take them to the top, it's either you can say minus the whole of that power at the bottom. That is first option. And then the second option, this is what you can do. You can just say everything at the bottom, you take it to the top, but you change their sign. For example, this one is positive 2x, you write it as minus 2x. This one is negative 1, you write it as positive 1x. It's like a shortcut or a smart way of working it out. Amanda Ngomani, remember, this is a recording. It is a recording, you will be able to catch up. Otherwise, in case if you missed something, this is where you need to test yourself to say, if I can see everything, even though you missed this step and that one, can you be able to take a screenshot and check if you can be able to understand all of that? Sometimes you'll realize that it doesn't need to be repeated, but you need to look into that and check if you can follow all the steps as you work it out by yours. So now let's see. Let us see. I'm not sure if you guys are able to notice that we actually have this 3x minus x minus 2x. I think this one, it does cancel with those because it's like 3x minus 3x, and you just remain with 2 to the exponent 3. You have that plus 1, and then you also have that plus 1 there, which is what? 2 to the exponent, that is 5. What is 2 to the exponent 5? Let us see. 2 to the exponent 5, 32. Okay, we are getting 32. I think Larissa and then made a second comment. I am now sure that it is 32. Yes, the answer is 32 on that one, honorable members. Remember, guys, in case if you did not miss it, the lesson is being recorded. You will have an opportunity to watch it again. I will make sure to post it as soon as it is done so that you can be able to catch it up. So I'm just going to cross. Okay, before I even cross that one, let's do this one being k. Let us see how k looks like. K, you have 3, and then you have that, which is equals to square root of that to the exponent that. Yes, I understand it now, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. As bonge. So very quickly, I need to get myself very nice thing to drink. I will be back, but you guys need to work on that one. Hiban. Okay, now I brought anyone else experiencing the same problem. It's kind of glitching for me. Remember, guys, as long as you got the problem, you just need to work it out. Yes. So I just give you a problem. you write it down and then you work it out, and then you comment with your answer. Then if I explain and then it does the buffering, then which okay, it seems like everything is okay. So now let us see 2 over 3 is what most of you guys got. So now let's see. This is what I'm going to do, because I noticed that I have a base of 3 there. I will try also do that one a base of 3. So that means this one is the same as a, let us say, okay, let me not take shortcuts. This is the same as 3 that. And then this one, I know that it is the same as 3 to the exponent 1 over 2. That is because I know there is an invisible 2 there, and then that is that. So that means this one is the same as 3 to the exponent 2 over 3, which is equals 2. On this side, you have half of 2x. Half of 2, it's like 1x. Yes, there you have your 1x. So can you guys see we have the same basis? That means we can equate the exponent. So that means your x finally, it's equals to 2 over 3. Yes, 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 you did get it correct, honorable members, or members who are honorable. You did get it correct. So let me just very quickly give you guys a warm up or something to warm yourself up. This one, it is a, so that means you are having x to the exponent 1 over 4, which is equals to 3. Yes, 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 see, okay, connected with Wi-Fi. Let's see if it's going to glitch again. It's glitching again, it's glitching again, same here. Okay, how about now, honorable members? Still glitching. I connected with a Wi-Fi now, but I think it's better now. I think now it's better. Let me just check for some more problems. Where and let me check for some more problems. I think it's better now. Larissa says the answer is 81 there. Okay, let's see. What is the answer on that one, honorable members or members who are honorable? What will be the answer on that one? What will be the answer on that one? I've got something interesting. Okay, 81. So let's see. Remember, this glitching, it's now becoming a problem. Okay, it's better now. I think it is better now. But otherwise, that one, you did get it correct. It's buffering again. Yo, iyenzani le network namhlanje? Engenzani namhlanje? Yo, inhliziyo yami izoma, ngiyakutshela. Inhliziyo yami izoma namhlanje. Angazi ukuthi yini into eyenzayo ukuthi lento le yenze kanje. We didn't hear you. But otherwise, you did get it correct, honorable members. Trust me on that one. But how about now, Madam Speaker? Okay, it's clear. Now it's clear. So what I said, I will just explain it very quickly. But you guys did get it correct. So what I was saying was, with this one, you want to remove the power. So you want to remove the power there. So how you remove it? You just multiply by the inverse of that power. The reason to that is so that this cancel with that. So this same thing, you also multiply that on the other side. So it's like you have x to the exponent 1, which is this one. 4 over 1 is to the 4. So that to that, it is equals to 81. So that one you did get it correct, honorable members. So now let us see. Let us maybe move on to this one. I think that one also you would be able to get it correct. I don't know. Yes. Maybe let's try that one. I will skip that one, but let's try this one. Let's see if you guys are going to get it correct. this one. Yes, let's see if that one can be able to work it out. There you go, honorable members or members who are honorable. Let us try that one. So let's see if you can be able to work it out. So I'm going to cross that one, and I'm going to cross that one, and then I'm going to add this problem, which I think should I add that one? What if I add a 9 in all this, but that one you will say to the power of 0. Okay. Okay, no, that one we have done it. Let's see, I think also there we have worked them out. Also that one there. Let me see. Okay, someone got 1 out of 27. Load, can't see properly. Say, can you please say the equation out? So the equation is, I'm not sure. Can you guys see now? Let me just check if you are able to see that equation. Seems like Larissa got something. Larissa got something. Let's see. Oh, yes. That's an interesting one. Yes, that's an interesting one. I'm going to add this too. So that one is R. That was number 3. That one is R, which is that. And then you are having that over that, which is equals to that. Yes. Okay, let's see. You guys got some answers there. It seems like you did get it correct. So let's see. This is what I would do. Firstly, to remove that 3. Remember, you divide by that on both sides. This is that over that cancels with that. What I wanted to say was 27 divided by 3. It's 9. Yes, it's 9. So that means you have that, which is equals to 9. And we do know very well that actually 9, it is the same as, you can still write it as 3 squared, or otherwise you can just write it as 9. And then you're going to say, what you need to do now is to remove that power, which is negative 2 over 3. You just multiply by negative 3 over 2. So you take that at the top, that at the bottom. That means whatever that you multiply it with, you're going to multiply by the same thing on the other side. This is so that that cancels with that, with that, that negative with that, so that you have your, let's see, so 9, the exponent negative 3 over 2. Yes, yes, you did get it correct, honorable members. Did get it correct. So I'm going to give you guys another one, and I want to very looking it out as far. Is it still the same, honorable members, or can you now see? Is it better now? Over x 3 square root into 1 over. How is it now? Am I still glitching? I'm not sure if I am still glitching, but it seems like I am still um glitching. Yo, I'm only getting your comments now. Getting your comments now, but it seems like the voice, and again it was glitching. Okay, how about now, honorable members? I think it's on and off. The network seems to be on and off today. But what about now? Can you hear me? Can you see that new problem that you need to work on? Madam Speaker, how about now? Still the same? Better now, it's working. Now it's better. Okay, it seems to be better on the other honorable members, and some already got an answer. Can someone just confirm if it is better? Then I will be able to confidently explain that problem. Is there someone who's able to confirm that it is clear? Okay. So now let's see. Okay, okay. I got you, miss. So let's see. Yes. How am I going to? The best thing to go about this one, I think it is to say, we know that when we have a 1 over something, it's the same as something to the exponent negative 1. So this is what I would do. And then I know that it means I have that, which is equals to that. Then easily I can multiply by negative 3 over 1 with negative, then x it's equals to, what is 9 to the exponent? What is 9 to the exponent? Negative 3 over 1. That is that. Someone got it correct. Patrick Cacuchero. Oh, no, Catuchero. Catuchero got it correct. Catuchero got it correct. User 1234. Okay. It seems like you guys got it correct. Yes, it is. Yes. You did get it correct. Now, I've got something for you. That one, it is A or 9. Yes, I think it's A. How about, how about this? How about this? Yes. Okay. Let me try something, Madam Speaker. Try something now. Now I'm connected with. Is it still the same? It's your attention. Hmm. Hey, I'm thinking of giving you guys this one, and I wonder if you're going to survive. This is an interesting one, trust me, honorable members or members who are honorable. This one is an interesting one, and I wonder if you guys can be able to work it out. But this is that, and that, and then that, and then that. The reason why I'm reluctant to give you, because I also think that I can get moved. I can get moved on that one. But it's fine. Let us be brave enough. Remember, as a politician, you must be brave enough to confront every situation. So let us see this one. We have that to the that over. We have that, and then again to the that. Okay, as I'm waiting for my answers on that one, I've got something interesting. Guys, how about now? Still glitching? Is it still glitching? Now it's fine. Okay, okay. Let us see. I'm hoping I'm going to find something interesting again. Oh yes, there's another one. There, yes. I've got some interesting things, honorable members. I've got some interesting things for you. Let's see. Hey, okay, there you go. It is. Let us see. Let us see. It is E. Okay, that one is E. It is that multiplying that. Hmm? Hmm. Is that true? That over that, and then that is being equals to that. Yes. And I still have another. Let's see. Someone says 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Seems like Katuchero got an answer to that one. Another one says 2 to the 1 over 2. That is Sandra Mpapuli. That is Madam Vika. Okay, let us try to work it out. If you guys remember, 1 over something, it is the same as 2 to the exponent -1, and then we have that multiplied by, if you guys remember, this one, it is the same as 2 to the exponent 1 over 2, then we have 2x minus 1. So you shouldn't be worried when you are dealing with square roots. You need to remember that if it's square root of something that's invisible to, you need to know what is the power of what is inside. So here you say that by that, that by that. So that means you have 2 to the exponent -x, that one becomes +1, multiplying that. That times that, it is the same as 1x minus that times that, it is the same as that. So it's like I'm saying that times that, that times that. So now let's see, we have the same basis, that means we add the exponents. So that means we have that plus that plus that, and then we also have that. Okay, let us see. Obviously, -x plus x, they cancel out. So now it seems like you have 1 minus a half. 1 minus half is a half. Yes, it's a half. I like someone who said square root of 2, because they know that actually this thing finally is the same as that. Yes, even if you leave it there, it's fine. Otherwise, someone went very far to say the square root of that, and that is Larissa. Okay, guys, I've got something interesting now. I've given you many problems, and it seems like some of you guys, or most of you guys, get them correct, which is an indication that you are indeed learning during the Zoom lessons. You are indeed learning, and you should be proud of yourself. But want to get to a stage where I find something very much difficult. Let me give you this one being E. I don't think this will get it easily. So it is 1 over 6 multiplying 2 to the exponent 3 over 4x. Yes, this is equals to 4. Yes. Yes. This is what I wanted to test you on. So that one, let me cross it. Siyenzile. That one, let me cross it. Siyenzile. And then let's try that one and see how far we can go with that one. Okay. Okay. Guys, while we are still on that one, can you guys also comment if you think we can still have a similar lesson tomorrow? Remember, guys, myself, I hear from you. If you think this is beneficial and it could contribute towards your studies, do let me know that even tomorrow on a Sunday, we can have a similar revision. And then starting on Monday, obviously, it is our normal Zoom lesson. So let me know if we can still have a similar lesson tomorrow, just so that for today, we don't go far, but we just do what is it? I've got two more problems. Yes, we just do two more problems. Okay, let's see now, honorable members. Let's see if you're going to be able to work it out, that one. Awuthi sibone ukuthi nizoyenza na. Let us see. I think we can have a lesson tomorrow. Okay. That is noted, honorable member. Then I know that we're going to wrap up everything discussed during the week. And then next week, from Monday, we start something completely new. So let us now see honorable members or members who are honorable. There is a problem. Okay, someone is saying x is equals to 8. Another one is saying, what is it? X. Okay, let us try to work it out. The best way to go about this one, how about we remove that 1 over 16 there? So remember, you will need to do exactly that, so that this cancels with that. So you remain with 2 to the exponent 3 over 4x, which is, what is that? So this thing is like that and that. So this is like 64. That one, if you punch it in a calculator, it will give you 64. So now let us see. So it's more like we have 2 to the exponent 3 over 4, which is equals to that. What will be the, I think this is 2 to the 4. That one, I think I am correct. 2 to the 4. Not to the 4, but 2 to the 6. What about to the 6? Oh, yes. It is actually 2 to the 6. Okay, so the bases are the same, therefore away we equate the exponents. We therefore equate the exponents. So can you now see, you can just cross multiply, or if you like, you can just say I'm going to remove that 3 over 4, just so that that cancels with that. Remember, whatever that you do on the left, you also do on the right. So that means you have your x, which is equals to, punch all of that. It is therefore the same as that by that, and then that. Yes, it is indeed the same as that. So now, wait, we have done that. So okay, we have two more problems. I've got this one, honorable members, a very interesting one. I'm telling you, you will see it for the first time and feel a bit intimidated. But let's see, it is number 3. So we have 3 to the exponent 3x plus in 3 to the exponent 3x plus in 3 to the exponent 3x, which is equals to 3 to the exponent 9x. Yes, let us see if you're going to survive that one. Let us see if you're going to survive that one. Very quickly, very quickly, honorable members, very quickly, try to work it out and see how far you can work out that one. Let us see how far or how quick you can work out that one. So I have one last more, and then bese siqedile. Bese siqedile libandla lakaNkulunkulu or lakaNkulunkulu libandla. You just choose which way to start with. Yes, yes. Me too, I'm enjoying honorable members. It feels like I could go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Non-stop, yes. Okay, so now let us see if you can be able to work it out. Let's see. So we have Dineo Molovela got 8, Anesu got 8, and then we have Gomez. We have Gomez. These are the honorable members, or members who are honorable, who participated on the previous one and they got it correct. So now let us see on this one, honorable members, if you can be able to work it out and correctly get it. So let us see if you can be able to work out, or otherwise yes. Yes, 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 yes. Let us see if you can be able to work it out. Work it out, work it out, work it out, work it out. Yes. I'll just wait for the first two to comment. Ngoka Ngoka. Ngoka Ngoka has commented, I think, on the previous one. Oh, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 no. Oh, 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 I got a stamina. Oh, 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 I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, no, no. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, no, no. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't. Are you winning, honorable members? Did you get that one, and are you winning? Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Oh, 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 I got a stamina. Oh, 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 I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Still solving, say, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. No, 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 no. Oh, 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 I got a stamina. Oh, 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 tamina, mina, mina, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 oh, oh, no, mina, 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 oh, oh, I got a stamina, oh, oh, no, mina, 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 oh, oh, I got a stamina, oh, oh, no, mina, 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 oh, oh, I got a stamina, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't. X equals to 0, not sure though. Okay, 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 okay. Someone got X as equals to 0. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Oh, oh, na, 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 na. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Oh, oh, na, 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 na. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. No, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. No, no, no. Oh, oh, na, na, I got a stamina. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hey, Ianitlula, honorable members, is it fooling you? Yes, it's equals to 0. Someone says yes, it's equals to say this one confuses me. I felt like yes, yes, yeah, this one. But you will see how simple it is, honorable members. It's like you have a apple there, you have apple there, you have apple there. How many apples are you having, honorable members? What if one says I've got three apples? Hmm? What if someone does that? Honorable members or members who are... Remember, this is to the power of that if you ask me. So you have the same basis, you add the exponents. So that means this thing is the same as that, which is equals to that. Then what you can do, you say same basis and then you equate the exponents. Then what you can do, you can say this one on the other side. So it's like you have 9x minus that. What is that minus that, honorable members? Is it not 6x? You can just divide both sides by 6. That means that, and then it's like your x is equals to 1 over 6. Yes. Nithola happy 0, honorable members. Le 0 le lithola happy. Maybe you guys are correct. Let's check. Maybe you guys are correct. 3. Okay. 3 to the exponent. I'm just going to substitute this where I see x. And let's see. Don't give up. No, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No. Okay, when I punch this one as a decimal, I'm getting 641011615. Okay, let me try that other one. 3 to the 9 into 1 over not that but 6. I'm just trying to if my answer is correct. Mine is not correct. Wait, yes, no, seems like mine is correct. Ungathi ukhona okushaya amanzi. But wait, I've done it this way and I got my answer to be 1 over 6. Okay, let me say my first answer says x is equals to 1 over 6. I'm going to try again. Maybe I did something, I made a mistake when I was trying to prove it. So now let us see the next method that one can try to apply. Wonder, wait. No, that is the only way. Not that is the only way, but there might be another way, but this seems to be the only way, honorable. Yes, because what did I want to do? If you did it this way, it's a mistake. Let's start here. If you said 3 to the exponent 3x plus 3x plus 3x, if you did this, you made a very big mistake. Let's see. So that means this is 3 to the, what is 369? So if you guys said 9x and then you said it's equals to 3 to the 9x, you made a very big mistake. And then you said 9x equals to 9x, and then you said you take that one to the other side. So that is equal. So that means it's like 9x minus x is 0. So it's like you say, oh, that's what you guys did. That's what you guys did. And you guys got hammered big time. You cannot add the exponents because you're not multiplying the bases. That law, it doesn't say x, a to the that, and then a to the that. It does not say that is equals to that. Never. This thing, it is the same as exactly that. Yes, it is the same as exactly that. But what you need to do in this case, it means you have this, which is the same as that, the same as that, and then it's like a one of that apple, one of that apple, one of that apple, and then it is three of that apple. Yes, no, this is the only way, guys. Then we have 3 to the 9x. Yes, then you have 1 there. So now this is where you can say same basis you add the exponents, which therefore means you have that. Oh, na, mina, mina, mina. So can you guys see? Then the bases are the same. You equate the exponents. Yes. And then you have that. You take that to the other side. It's like you have that. And then what is 9 minus 3? Let's see. 9 minus 3. Yes, that is 6x. Therefore, it means you divide by 6 on both sides. So that means your x is equals to 1 over 6. Yes, this is my answer. This is my answer. Larissa says it's a different story. Maybe let me check. Anna, Larissa, what did you get? The others are retracting their statements. Dineo got, yes, Dineo got 1 over 6. It seems like Dineo also got that 1 over 6. But let me quickly check something. 3 to the exponent 3 into 1 over 6. And 6 and close. But let me just say 3 of that. 3 times. Oh yes, no, this is correct, guys. This is correct. When I was trying to prove the other side, I think I made a mistake somewhere. If you want to prove here, put that 1 over 6 where you see x, put 1 over 6 here. Whatever answer that you get here, also put 1 over 6. So it's like you'll say 3 to the that into that plus 3 to the that into that plus 3 to the that into that. Yes. Someone adding it. Yes. Finally, I got most. Okay, without wasting any time, honorable members, here is the last one. Here is the very last one. I sign out, and you guys also sign out. I think this one also. So the one that we did, I think you were going to cruise nicely. This is the one that I thought it was going to give you guys a hard time. No, let me not write. Okay, it's fine. I'll just write a big letters there. Yes. This is the one that I thought it is going to give you a hard time. So let us see on this one. Let us see on that one. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no. I got a stamina. I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, don't give up, don't give up, no. Namina. Namina. I got a stamina. I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no. Namina. 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 Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no. Namina. Namina. I got a stamina. I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no. I got a stamina. I got a stamina. I got a stamina. I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, don't give up, Give up. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. 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 Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. 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 Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, amina. Oh, oh, I'm alive. Oh, oh, no, mina. Oh, oh, cause I'm alive. Oh, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Don't give up. Give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. You know DJs must. A DJ will be hammering there, and then they say tiki, and then rasa now. Ah, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't say. How do we do it? Say I'm not. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, 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 no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't. Yeah, now. Okay. Seems like you guys are getting moved. Let us see. Let us see. Ukuthi sizoyenza kanjani lento le. Let me just write that in small. Okay, let us see. That one is F. So we have 4. Yes, yes. Did you guys remember me saying that me too? I'm not sure if I'm going to get moved on this one. I'm not sure if you guys remember me saying that. Okay. Obviously, we simplify. Nkoka said 1 over 2. Okay. So let us see. I think the best thing that you would like to do is to remove all this I'm just not sure what you guys call it. Yonke into angazi ukuthi ngesizulu ngizothi yini lento lo idoti. Yes. Let's remove let oti le ama square roots and wara. Yes. So you remember Mos, we said here you can say you have 16x to the 5 over, then it is going to be 1 over 4. Yes, 1 over 4, and then over, and this one, this is how we can do it. Obviously, there is that invisible 2 there. Let us start with that one and say this one is it is therefore going to be the same as that. Yes, I'm not sure if you guys are following on that one. Then what are we going to do on that one? Okay, so let us still say we still have our 16 to the 5 to the 1 over 4. I just want to remove let odile. Let odile, we know it is the same as 1 to the exponent 1 over 2. Also there I am having 1 over 2. Yes. And then what else are we having there? So what if I can still rewrite that as that? I will work it out in the end if I need to. Let's say I'm having 16 and then x to the 5. I still have that 1 over 4 over obviously this is x 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. What is that? I think it's quarter. Half of half is quarter. Yes. So half by half, it is 1 over 4. Okay. Then what else can I do? What else can I do? I think I'm getting there. I've got 2 ways in which I can do that, but I'm still wondering which way will be a quicker one. Okay, let's do it this way and say we now remove the bracket. So that means we have 16 to the exponent 1 over 4. Obviously, this is therefore x to the exponent 5 times that 1 over 4. So it's like this 1 over 4, it multiplies the power of this and it also multiplies the power of that. So now this is over x to the power of 1 over 4. Maybe let me continue up there. So that, what is 16 to the power of 1 over 2? Let's see, 16 to the power, not 1 over 2, but 1 over 4. It is 2, yes. 16 to the that, it is 2. So that means here it is the same as x. What is 5 times that? I think that it is the same as 5 over 4, and then divided by that one, it is still the same as x to the power 1 over 4. And yo glitching. I can't continue while I'm glitching. Let me just wait. But guys, how about now? Can you guys hear me? Are you still able to see the honorable members? I can't continue while I'm still glitching. Guys, can you clearly hear me? Can you see there? Can you yes. Madam Speaker, is everything okay? Larissa said I got something and then now she retracted the message. Guys, is it okay? Yes, it's fine. Okay. Then it means we have the same basis. You know what the law says, Mos? We have x to the exponent 5 over 4, you minus this power. So that means you end up having 2 to the 2, you end up having 2x and then you minus that. What is 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4? That is 1. That is 1. So that means actually the final answer, it is the same as 2x. Yo. Someone is saying I got 2x. Got 2x. Let me see. Anyone else who said they got 2x? No. Guys, can you just take a screenshot of that so that you have record of that problem? I'm just going to try and test if that answer is correct. So on the original equation and also on the final answer, let us substitute x values. Myself, I'm going to substitute 2. Someone maybe substitute 3. And then someone maybe substitute 4. Yes, let's see if when we substitute it there and we also substitute there, we're going to get the same answer. So let's see. For me, I'll start there. How you do it is, maybe let me remove this. I know my number is 2. So let me remove that and say, this is how you have to work it out. You need to work it out that way. Remember, 4 square root of that, this is not the same as 4 a square root of whatever. It's totally different things. Okay, you have that, and then you will say 16. Myself, I'm going to put 2 there, and then you say to the 5. And then you will say square root of square root, and then you put the number there. Yes. So myself, I'm going to put 2 there. So that means here, I'm going to punch 2 into 2, which is going to give me 4. So that means this thing must also give me 4. So it's more like final answer must be the same as the original question. So yourself, you might not get a 4. But if you get 7 here, you must also get 7 there. That's what I mean. So now let us see. So that means we have 4 shift that. Then you say 16. 16, you open bracket, mine, the value is 2 to the exponent 5. Should have started with a fraction button, but it's fine. Let me say that. And then I'm going to say, okay, remember there is 2 or there is no 2. It makes no difference. The original equation, you just say square root, you do it 1, you do it again, and then you just put 2 there. Oh, oh, amena. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Oh, oh, amena. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Don't give up. I'm not sure if you guys can see the answer. No, 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 no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, no. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you did enjoy as much as I did, honorable members. And this brings us to the end of our what is it? It brings us to the end of our lesson for today. So just in case if you want to see all these problems that I had for you, there you go. So what you can do, it is to take a screenshot of all of that. You can take a screenshot of all of that just so that you've got a record of that. So, most guys, you said tomorrow we are having a lesson, most honorable members. You guys said tomorrow we are having a lesson. So very quickly, just take a screenshot of that. Let me know if you took a screenshot. So how you can let me know? You just what do? You just let us see. Okay. I got a stamina. Thank you, sir, for another exciting lesson and assisting us with the problems we couldn't. Okay, so I wanted to say once you have taken a screenshot, you just say done a lesson tomorrow. Yes, then I know you took a screenshot and you are ready for tomorrow's similar lesson. Yes, that's how you can comment. In that way, I am going to confidently sign out. You just say done. Okay, there's a photo of a screenshot. When I see that photo, I remember the sound which says Keng. Oh, oh, damina. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Oh, oh, damina. Oh, oh, I got a stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. No, 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 don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. No, 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 no. Oh oh, oh oh, ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining. It is that time where I need to sign out. Trust me, if I don't sign out, honorable members, I sometimes have scary dreams. So, ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining today's lesson. Ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining the lesson today. Ladies, I do thank you very much for ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much. My name is Desmond, and I'm out, and I'm out, and I'm out. Yo, 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 and I'm out, and I'm out, and I'm out. Ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining us today. Ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining